I got 125% growth with a drawdown of only 8%, and this is a very huge difference between drawdown and the total net profit. All details are in this video. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back. I am your host Abdul and you're watching TradingBotLab. Let's move to my screen. Here you see I'm using the Scalping Machine MT5 and my symbol is XUSD Gold with the 1 minute time frame. In the previous video I have done its backtesting and in-depth optimization on the 5-minute time frame, but now I have done it on 1 minute time frame. Here you can see all these settings and I'm using $200 as the deposit, and this is a cent account. Okay, with a leverage of 2000. I'm using a high leverage just to reduce my margin amount so I could open more trades at lowest margin. And the optimization process is completed, and here you can see on the optimization results all these results here, and the most highest recovery factor is 6.75 with a profit of $251 as the profit. To see more details I will simply right click on it and then press run single test, and when it started, let's move to the graph. We will see here the graph, how the graph is going up or down. The single test is completed and you can see how the graph is going up. Most of the time the graph goes down and then go up in profit, again go down and then start making profit. From here almost 2023 9th to 10th month October, it goes in range sideways and slightly going up, again here a range and go up and then a range. Overall, when I move to the back test, you can see here it make total net profit of $251 profit, which is almost 125% in last 3 years, in last 36 months. And the most important thing here is the recovery factor is 6.75, which means the total net profit is 6.75 times higher than its drawdown, and it opened total 2294 trades, and the win ratio is 59.7%, which we can say the 60% is win ratio. It is around 3% per month and most of the months are in drawdown. Let's move down and see here the profit and losses month by month. You can see clearly the February was not in big profit and no losses, but the April was in loss, and it's totally fine because we cannot expect every day or every month in profit. We need to bear these losses, and again in the August, not a big profit, not a loss, like a break even, but all other months are closed in some profit. And remember, this is just a one pair gold on one time frame, and how we are using any report on our account by optimizing the top 5 or 7 pairs and choose the best input settings of at least top 5 pairs on one account. So if one pair is making some losses, the other pair will be making some profits. So overall, every month will be closed in some profit. And here down are some graphs which are not too much necessary. You can download all these set files from my website. Link is in the description, or you can simply search on the Google TradingBotLab.com. On the robot store page on this website, you can simply search for any robot and download the set file or to download the robot file. Everything is available to download without any limitations, only for VIP members. I am spending a lot of time, a lot of resources, and a lot of working hours of my CPUs. Really, it takes a lot of efforts to do one complete in-depth optimization, and simply I cannot offer this work totally free of cost. To join VIP membership, I am providing 2 different options. One is totally free and one is paid. In the paid section, you will need to pay $97 per month membership fees, and you will be able to download any file, any report, or anything available on the website. website. On the free, you need to join our recommended broker. Simply go to the register page and there are few broker options. You can join any broker of your choice under our IV link, and once you have registered under our IV with any of broker available on the website page, after that you can contact me on Telegram or submit the form for verification you will see on the registration page. And once you are verified, you will get VIP membership login details to log in to the website, and once you become a VIP member, you will be able to download any file without any limit. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.